Welcome dear audience, we are from the world famous English language center Bangladesh. We are from the imaging batch of KT 176. My name is Maisha Rahman and this is my partner.
Hello everyone, this is Mantha.
Today we will present a dialogue about the sky fox and the red hen. So let's begin.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, what about you?
Me too. Do you know the story, The Sly Fox and the Red Hen?
Yes, I know. Do you also know the story of the sky fox and the red hen?
Yes. Can I tell some question about that?
Sure, why not?
Who lived in the tree?
The hen lived in a tree. Where did the sky fox live?
The Sly Fox lived in the forest. What splashed on him?
The hot water splashed on him. What did the fox catch?
The fox catched the red hen. Who was clever?
The hen was clever. What did the clever hen do?
The clever hen escaped and put some heavy stone inside the bag. Who lived in the tree?
The hen lived in a tree. What did the, how did the fox get tired?
The fox got tired because he was carrying the heavy bag. Who wanted to eat the red hen?
The fox wanted to eat the red hen. When did the water splash on him?
The water splashed on him when he dipped the bag on the hot cooking pot.
Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.